And I'm taking up my Master of Degree of Mass Communication Arts in Harvard University. I should be the part of spokesperson to promote this, what do you call it? And this creative or practices because I know that I have a talent that should be shared to all of you and can help among us to survive when moving out in the Asia. And for example, and be able to encounter extraterrestrials. I could be the one who can translate their language, so we are able to communicate, communicate from another, we have communication to them, so we can have us, or I should say, they can have us in, because regarding to that talent, and maybe they share the knowledge that they have to us, so we are able to, we're able to survive, and so we have a good friendship to them, so we promote work, and we promote peace.